Assalamualaikum and very good day. I'm Noraizah binti Muhammad Sarbon from College Komuniti Tawau. Today, I would like to present about a systematic literature review on inhibitory effects of marinade towards heterocyclic amines (HCA) formation on grilled meat. First of all, I will introduce our team members. I, Noraiza, Shanatini Santaguru, and Noriza bin Muhammad Sarbon from University Malaysia Terengganu. I will I will present the introduction, objective, methodology, finding, and conclusion of our research. Grilling use high temperature and aerobic environment and a short cooking time to produce flavor while limiting juice loss that could harm the texture of the meat. Dry heat method is used in grilling is reduce the cooking time, producing a charred brown color on the meat product. Ortuno et al. 2021. Cooking involves dry heat on protein-rich food direct to the surface of food, causing char on the surface that cause the formation of heterocyclic amine HCA. If taken in high concentration, this chemical component leads to a number of common cancers, including colorectal, breast, and colon as the HCAs harm DNA. Kumar et al. 2017. Honey, as a primary source of antioxidant, was seen to reduce heterocyclic amine instead. The honey-containing marinade also has enhanced beef product physiochemical properties. Shamsuddin et al. 2019. Objective of this study to analyze the Ca reduction through honey in the physical and chemical characteristics of the marinade of grilled meats and to investigate the effect of honey-containing marinade on inhibiting HCA formation in grilled meat. This study applies the SLR, which include research study, issues, method, and finding. Every literature those selected will be arranged based on issue of inhibitory effects of marinade on heterocyclic amines HCA formation on grilled meat. Using terms like principle of systematic literature review (SLR) applied by modern researchers. This approach is systematic research. Abu Hamdi Usman et al. 2020. Research by Research by Shamsuddin et al. 2020 focus on the impact of honey from stingless bees from various botanical sources on the synthesis of HCA in beef satay that has been grilled using quantitative analysis. From this study, they found that more research is needed to determine the honey component that prevents the development of HCA. While Nur Hashima et al. 2020 examined honey spice marinated beef satay at a variety of stove grilling temperatures on the concurrent production of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons (PAH) and heterocyclic amines (HCA) through data analysis. In this study, depending on the temperature employed, honey spices marinated create minimal HCA and PAH. Last but not least, Jinab et al. 2018 goal study was to ascertain whether alternative organic acids might be used to formulate marinade component and lower the amount of heterocyclic amines HCA in satay grilled chicken by quantitative analysis. It was observed that marinated food contained organic acidic and antioxidant ingredients such as tamarind, lime juice, spices, and turmeric, which was an excellent substance to combine with honey and sugar to reduce HCA development in grilled satay. Now I will talk about the finding and discussion. Processing technique and heat transfer during grilling meat. First, in the grilling process, the product undergoes all three heating mechanisms: conduction, convection, and radiations. As for the processing techniques, the heat generative steam oven processing method produces the smallest amount of HCAs, while the traditional oven significantly produces the highest total HCA. The level of fat in meat was significant for the production of mutagenesis activities. The processing method, also known as the cooking method, affected HCA formations. Next, Maillard reaction. Maillard's reaction contribution to product's quality is product rendered in unpleasant odors, rancidity, texture changes, loss of nutrition, and the development of harmful chemicals. Marination. For, inhibi- for inhibition of heterocyclic amines in grilled meat marination, research revealed that the inhibitory effect on HCl production was correlated to the antioxidant activity, such as honey with higher antioxidant inhibit HCA. According to GBs and Bs 2012, aside from controlling HCA formation, the meat surface was marinated with ingredients to improve flavor and the texture. Lastly, these studies discovered that a marinade blend of citrus, tamarind sugar, and honey was the most efficient organic acid concentration that results in the largest HCA decrease. This observation could be explained by the inhibitory characteristic of marinades, particularly honey. Now we have reached the conclusions. Cooking methods that use the right temperature and proper equipment rather than directly on the flame are the best way to reduce HCA in grilled beef. This study's findings demonstrate that honey-based marinades may decrease HCA while improving the physiochemical qualities of protein-rich foods. In comparison to the control, the honey marinated food's physical and chemical compositions, including moisture content and pH, and cooking loss and color, showed improvement. This study should be of interest to the food production and food service industry since it provides a simple, doable way for significantly lowering particular HCA in grilled beef. To identify which honey ingredient is reducing the development of HCA, more research is required. Thank you for watching.